Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Sheets using export to drive easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Google Sheets using the export to drive feature, first, open your Google Sheets document. Once the document is open, click on the File menu in the upper left corner. From the drop-down menu, hover over the Download option. In the submenu that appears, select the file format you wish to export. For a complete backup, you may choose Microsoft Excel, .xlsx, or PDF document, .pdf. After selecting your desired format, the file will begin downloading to your computer. Now, head to your Google Drive account. Once in Google Drive, locate the My Drive section on the left side. To upload the previously downloaded file, click the plus New button. From the drop-down, select File Upload. A File Explorer window will open, allowing you to browse your computer. Find and select the downloaded Google Sheets file, then click Open. The upload process will begin, and you'll see a progress indicator at the bottom right. Once the upload is complete, the file will appear in your Google Drive. Now you have successfully backed up your Google Sheets document. You can access this backup anytime by navigating to your Google Drive. For added organization, consider creating a dedicated folder for your backups. This ensures that your files are easily accessible and not lost among other documents. Repeat these steps regularly to keep your backups up to date. Backing up your data is a simple yet essential practice to safeguard your information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.